the moon if it'll show up. Avery just boarded the bus. And let's see, where's her bus should have turned already. Look at this puddle from the rain. Yesterday, 2 days ago when it rained overnight. And there's Avery's bus. And look at the fog. And that white thing there in the field is a boat. That's where the pond is. Where all that fog is, that's our pond. There goes Avery's bus. Bye. Cargo. And there's the cows down there. And again, this huge puddle from all the rain. It's gotta be at least ankle deep, if not deeper. Let's see. Oh, Daisy, you wanna come to our end of the driveway, Daisy? Come on, Daisy girl. Stormy, wanna come? I didn't get the other two birds flying, but at least I got that one. And this one. Any more birds flying? They were coming from here. I think they was. Let's see. Any more birdies? Well, have a great day, everybody. Bye. Focus on the cows. Now let's focus on the puddle a little bit from the rain.